I just wanted to come out, have a little bit of fun, blow off some steam. The semester's getting close to ending in about a month. Just thought I'd hang out and enjoy the nice weather.
The weather is nice, and it's just, there's a lot of good energy kind of going around here, and I live just over there at Founders Hall, so it just seemed like a fun time.
It's nice to have a nice needed mental break from all the schoolwork, all the stress from from everything in life.
Well, I just love the community and I love to see everyone brought together, and it's just, I don't know, it's just a good time. I've never been through something like this.
I really wanted a free t-shirt, and it allows me a chance to just hang out with my friends and do something I normally wouldn't do.
I saw that BG posted it on their Instagram story, so I was just like, gotta stop by, get a free t-shirt, you know.
For sure, I agree. I saw the same thing, but I also think it's just a really good time in order to spend some time with your friends, come out, have a few things to do. It just makes for a really fun day.
Yeah, so I've kind of been popping around. I did look at, they had a lot of cool food over there. And then I saw they were doing some bracelets, which looked really cool.
Yeah, I had some of the ice cream over there, and I made a bracelet.
I got a chamois and then a cookie maker, so yeah, we're gonna have a good time.
I've just kind of been looking around, seeing what they got. I'm actually waiting on. I'm here, hanging out with some friends, waiting on another friend coming in. But yeah, I'm super excited to look forward to all the events that they have planned for you today. It's nice to see that BGSU cares for its students.
My favorite part about St. Patrick's Day is definitely going out and just spending time with the people that I care about and dressing up.
My favorite part of St. Patrick's Day is just getting together with friends and hanging out.
I would say my favorite part of St. Patrick's Day is just hanging out with friends and letting loose and not really worrying about school or anything else. My favorite part about St. Patrick's Day is probably the Shamrock Social. It's kind of a guilty pleasure.
Just hanging out with my friends, enjoying the festivities, dressing up in green.
My favorite part about St. Patrick's Day is how festive it is in Ohio. I've never seen the whole town turn green because of St. Patrick's Day.